Hey there, it's Chad here at Stouffville Toyota. Today I wanted to show you the all-new Toyota Sienna Hybrid, and I do actually have one available. It's a 2022. We got the sport fascia here with the hybrid badging. This XSE has 20-inch alloy wheels. Power sliding doors with the kick function. Seating for 7 with plenty of room for the family. Power tailgate. Easy folding rear seats to give you maximum cargo. Beautiful XSE leather interior with a great sunroof. 8-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Standard safety features like blind spot detection, rear cross traffic, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. If you want to take advantage of this available 2022 Sienna Hybrid, or if you have any other questions with any of the other hybrid vehicles or Toyota vehicles in our lineup, send me an email, chad@stouffvilletoyota.ca.